it's me, Zara the bear, and I am going to teach you different shapes. It will be very helpful, so let's get started. Triangle. Pizza slice looks like a triangle. Watermelon looks like a triangle. Circle. Wheel looks like a circle. Ball looks like a circle. Square. Gift box looks like a square. Dice looks like a square. Heart. Leaf looks like a heart shape. Strawberry looks like a heart shape. Oval. Ladybug looks like an oval. Egg looks like an oval. Rectangle. Door looks like a rectangle. Envelope looks like a rectangle. Star. Starfish look like a star. Star looks like a star shape. Pentagon. Hut looks like a pentagon. Clock looks like a pentagon. Hexagon. Nut looks like a hexagon. Clock looks like a hexagon. Diamond. Earring looks like a diamond. Kite looks like a diamond.